Hey everybody, it's Irish Rebel here. Now, I ran into a problem running my new motor, or my new motor to me anyways. The fuel tank here, when this engine starts running, this big guy here, the fuel tank starts spewing out gas here, right in the primer. Maybe somebody out there can explain what this could be. So I'm going to fire up the engine and you can see, and you guys can maybe tell me. Alright, here we go.
Two hours later.
Could I get you to do me a favor and just hang on to that point so it doesn't fly back at you? Yeah, just hold on.
Wait. Ow! Maybe I should...
Sorry. Hey guys, Irish Rebel here. Now you see this tank right here? Alright, so whenever I go to start the machine, my outboard, it starts spewing out here. Now, this outboard is a 62 Johnson 10 horsepower. And this is a 62 Johnson pressure tank, I guess. That's what they want to call it. So, given that every time, well here, let's see if I can get this going here. You'll see whenever I go to fire it up, it starts spewing some liquid there. The heck?
I got sprayed.
Oh, did you? Sorry.
Yeah.
So, garbage lady got sprayed, but I can't seem to get this thing started. That's the fun part. But anyways, yeah, so as you can see right here, you see it coming out and you can see it coming out here. So maybe somebody in my channel knows what the heck I'm doing wrong here. Or maybe it's just seals on this is wrong. I don't know.
This looks like a skeleton of a machine that you'd see in some kind of Five Nights at Freddy's thing.
Let's see if I can get this thing going. I've been trying really hard to get it going. Why don't you film right here so you're gonna see it come up right there. Right here. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see it coming out.
Good. Get a knot off my rocker. Jeez. There we go.
I thought all of you deserve to see a cute puppy. Our little tripod. Who's a good girl? Are you a good girl? Tell me you're a good girl. Yes. Aw, I don't want to pet you because I'm full of grease. Now the internet's going to hate me because I'm not petting you. Where's your toy? You want to go get your toy? Go get your toy. Okay, you're cute and dumb. I love you.
Yards from it, so I'm not getting any closer.
Somebody's actually tagged it.
Yeah, so whoever's boat this is.
Hey guys. Well, unfortunately, this Johnson just won't start. I've tried everything. It won't continue. So, screw it. I'm pulling it off my boat because I'm tired of farting around with it. So, give me a second. I'm going to pop this guy off. Just like so.
Be careful, like this wrench, everything becomes part of the boat. Just like Davy Jones's ship.
I'm just gonna bring this to the garage and store it until my buddy gets back and show me what the hell I'm doing wrong. So give me a moment. All right, guys. I promised you a working engine, and so help me, I'm gonna have a working engine. So let's do
Hey,
this.
something from this century.
Something from this century, yes. Okay, I'm gonna put it in neutral. Pull out my choke. Put it in start. Open this guy all the way up. Damn mosquitoes. Turn that on. I'm gonna give it a pull. I'm too short. Give me a second. Oh man, I just cracked my light again. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Now that's running. See? This is nice. Pops out. Running nice. This is trolling speed right here. See how nice that runs? Alright. Now let's turn on. Hey Garbage Lady, why don't you stand right there and take a look?
Stop it. Get some help.
Garbage Lady is not amused. If I were a comedian in the 90s, I'd be telling you you're sleeping on the couch tonight.
There we go, so that's running.
Oh, look. Proof that men lactate grease.
There we go. So this is trolling speed. Alright? And this is how fast I really don't mind going. Out there. Not just control for height. That or right down to nothing. There we go. You're good. This is still peeing, which is nice. You know what this is for? Garbage Lady? This is the exhaust, so well, it cools down the engine.
Learn something new.
And here we go. I'm gonna turn it off. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Everyone else thought he was going to turn it up high, didn't they? So did I.
So this is how you're gonna turn it off. Turn that off. Turn this off. And just to show you, I've already taken this boat out twice. Okay? Where's it?
Taking
And
the
the fuel
motor
line-
out toy.
It's right there. Oh,
Yeah,
I
it's
stand
not,
corrected. It's actually right on this little lump here. So I've used this much in about 9 hours.
not showing much on camera, but I'm sure they get it.
Oh yeah. All right. That's it. Thank you for letting me be me. And I promised you a working engine, and it worked. Good night.